back with me. We about to go try to get a dog.
No, correction.
We about to go get a dog. We about to go get this motherfucker. She didn't want it, but then we was watching this video clip because they had a live video of it, and it was the best thing we ever saw. So I'm not gonna really tell y'all because somebody might be on their way there watching this video like the government. It's like, no, I'm just playing.
Because by the time we post it, we're already gonna have one.
Yeah. You heard what she said. But anyway, man, we about to go over here. We about to get this damn dog, man. It's a pretty dog. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. Y'all gonna see it when we get it. I want to bring this thing in there with me, but it's gonna be too obvious, so I'm gonna just bring the camera in.
We're not big enough yet. We can't do that.
Yeah, we're not big enough. We're gonna be like, we YouTubers. Show me your subscribers. It's all about subscribers. If you had 1 million, they would have been like, go ahead.
4?
Yeah, you got 4 subscribers.
Like, we're just starting out because we're gonna get lit.
We're getting fucking lit. Just in case y'all don't know, red button right there in the cigarette lighter hole to turn these lights on and off. That's how I got it hooked up. And then I don't got my dad's kit yet, so I had to get this from Walmart to Bluetooth my music and shit. But you already know what's going on. And as y'all know, I tried to make me a nice little manual setup because I hate the automatic look, but I gotta learn how to drive fucking manual before I can just buck a manual and break it down with how much money you gotta spend on them hoes. Is it coming?
Yeah.
My little motherfucker. Oh, we gotta give my little baby girl a reaction. Look at all the kittens on this. Let me know when it's on. Alright? I don't wanna miss it. Some pretty cats in there. Come and adopt an animal. They need to be adopted. Is it coming?
It's more than I thought.
That's a nice place, I swear. And they don't let you down, man. It's some good prices. And if you're looking for a pit bull, come here. They got them. It's hard. You just sleeping with your head up. You might even get the dog out. Sorry, y'all. We're just trying to make by because they still ain't.
Chance. Okay. That means they already called for chance. They're a little confused talking about call.
They said they were looking for who got called. And then.
It's out for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, sorry about that. Next, have to walk him out to the car. Okay. And then these are his.
Yes, sir.
All right, congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Hi, baby.
Everybody, welcome Chance to the motherfucking family. Sorry about my language. That's just how I talk. But everybody, welcome Chance to the family, guys. Do you need to go outside? You keep walking over here to the door, man. What's up, y'all? Back in the house with it. We went shopping for him, got him a new bone leash collar. We trying to turn him into a service animal so we ain't got to pay for him and keep him in our apartment. It's gonna be a nice one. I don't know, I think I want to change his name because I'm not really feeling Chance. When we adopted him, his name was Chance and he listens to that name, but I really don't know if I'm feeling that name, so you know what I'm saying? We might end up changing his name. I've been thinking like Rocky, Zeus, Thor. I've been thinking, you know, some big shit, cause you know Rottweilers get huge and shit like that. So we gonna see what we do.